Hello little friends, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to learn colors with vehicles. Let's start. It's a red car. Red, red, red. Here comes the blue bus. Blue, blue, blue. Wow, it's a yellow truck. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Look at this green tractor. Green, green, green. Here comes the orange van. Orange, orange, orange. Wow, a purple train. Purple, purple, purple. Now we learn colors with a bouncy ball. Look at this lovely pink ball. Pink, pink, pink. Here comes the brown ball. Brown, brown, brown. Wow, a shiny black ball. Black, black, black. Look, a snowy white ball. White, white, white. Here comes the soft grey ball. Grey, grey, grey. Wow, it's a golden ball. Golden, golden, golden. Look at this shiny silver ball. Silver, silver, silver.